Well, speaking of the headset, here we have another look and some new news, I guess, some new rumors.
Yeah,
Apple's,
yes. I mean, I was just going to say, yesterday we talked about how the Apple headset is going to be in WWDC. Ming-Chi Kuo says no at this report.
Yeah, he goes back and
like,
says,
they're not ready.
Says, hell no. In a tweet, Kuo explained that Apple isn't very optimistic about whether the headset will be able to create an iPhone moment. As a result, the company has chosen to delay the device's announcement. I guess. Yeah, it's a possibility. The delay also means the shipment forecast of the headset for 2023 will be lower than previously thought, reducing to just 200,000 to 300,000 units. Previously, they were projecting around 500,000. It's going to be $3,000 to $4,000. Whoa, Brevin. Remember Brevin was asking about starting a business? And this was on like a show a while ago.
Oh, yeah.
He says he's well on his way now, starting a soft washing house and roof cleaning service. That's cool.
Nice.
Well done, man. Congrats.
Yeah.
$3,000 to $4,000. We already knew that this thing was going to be targeted at developers. That's why WWDC would be a good fit.
I would think
But
so.
who
Right?
knows? Maybe they want to downplay it because they're only targeting this 200,000 units, and that's kind of a small peanuts for Apple. I have no idea. I mean, these are just rumors on top of rumors at this point. But I'm pretty convinced that it's not going to be a consumer product for mass consumption at this point.
Mm-hmm.